Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali around Kuta Square. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Kuta Bali around Kuta Square. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation at the moment in this area, just make sure watch the video until the end. And over here today start from Kuta Art Market. Let me show you around here. Yeah, over there is around 150 meters is Kuta Beach, and this is Kuta Square. Yeah, let me show you how busy Kuta Bali today. See, Kuta Art Market. Yeah, this is Kuta Art Market. Kuta Art Market in the afternoon. Usually a lot of people, a lot of tourists doing shopping around this time, but this is still very quiet, isn't it? Just really sad. Yeah. It's quiet, isn't it? Yeah, we hope together. Kuta Art Market is back to busy as before. Yeah, actually, before the pandemic, art market just along this area, but very small. Now they make big building, huge building for art market. Okay, let's keep continue walking in this area. Yeah, future is over there. Not busy, but really sad. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali around Kuta Square. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Really quiet. Bakung Sari Street over there, and if I turn right, there's the way to go to Kartika Plaza Street. And if I turn left, there is the way to go to Pantai Kuta Street. Yeah, this is still Kuta Square area. Let me show you how busy in this area today. This is village temple. Wow, not so many cars because usually during the sunset time in this area I was busy with the traffic. It's traffic jam usually, but today so quiet, eh? Very strange. And now it's 6 p.m. already. Okay, enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area. Wow, but there is some loud music behind me, so I have to talk louder than the music. Wow. Loud music. Very loud music over there. Yeah. Okay, let's keep continue walking around Kuta Square. Future is over there doing shopping. Hello, rame ba? Welcome to Bali. It's so pretty. My second wife, my third wife. So beautiful. Just joking. Okay, let's keep continue walking around Kuta Square. Across the street also not really busy. Few trees over there but not really busy. This Bagus watch. Bagus watch. So pretty, isn't it? That's good. Okay, let's keep continue walking at around Kuta Square. Very quiet, isn't it? Really sad. Bali is so quiet. Yeah, maybe they go to the beach to see the sunset over there because the sunset's coming down soon.
No transport. Good. No. No transport. Airplane. All right. Good luck to you.
Hello, Mr. Area Shopping.
Happy shopping.
Happy shopping.
Wow, even very quiet, they are smiling. That's good. Yeah, and this is the Pantai Kuta Street. Also no so traffic. It's very strange because usually in the afternoon, around sunset time, at that time it's always busy in this area with the traffic. Okay guys, so this is our news today in Kuta Bali around Kuta Square. So what do you think? It's very quiet, isn't it? Really sad. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali around Kuta Square. And don't forget to the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Whew. Quiet. Really sad. Jamie Olivia. What to say? Davido, what to say? Jamie Oliver. Ah, come on. Very hard. Hard to guess. Quiet, eh? Not as usually. Around this time, usually traffic jam and a lot of tourists. But today, it's very empty. So quiet. So sad.